Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar, RIC HASSANI. Like this artist very much. He's a nice one with simple, easy chords and songs, very playable on guitar as well. And yeah, this one is called Love Again. So if you like RIC HASSANI, he will be back here on Go On Guitar. Be sure, and if you like him, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's take a look at this one, Love Again. So no need for any cape on this, so we're going clean, and we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start with the G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the B minor 7. It's a bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret here. You don't have to bar the last E string in the bass there. So 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add fourth on D and third on B. Then we have the A minor / E. We have the E in the bass, and it's basically an A minor 7. So that will be open E, open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so we have a one string pattern here that goes like this. If you grab the G chord. So that is down, up, clap, down. So you make one down first, a pause there, and then up, clap, down. And then immediately go back again to start the next round. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down. Alright, so there you have the rhythm and strumming. So we're gonna start this, and we have a little tweak there in the timing between the first and the second chord now. So the first chord will be G. You're gonna play that for 2 string rounds. Then you go to B minor 7 and play 2 string rounds. But I'm gonna show you how the timing will be between these 2 chords. It goes like this. Alright, so I play one standard string round first on G. Then you're gonna play down, up, clap. And instead of playing the last down on the G, you switch to B minor that moment and play the down there. But since you are in the end of the second string round, when you start on the B minor, all right, you have to wait an extra moment there to fulfill the string round and continue with up, clap, down. So you do one round, and then you do the second round in this standard strumming way. So slowly it will be like this. G. Second round. Clap, B minor. A big pause there. And then up, clap, down, and the standard strumming. Down, up, clap, down. So together it will be 2 string rounds for G and B minor 7. Almost for G, because you cut the last D down there on the G and the second string round. Anyway, so again, repetition between G and B minor 7, like this, slowly. Alright, then you continue with C, 1 string round, B minor 7, 1 string round, the A minor / E, 1 string round, and D, 1 string round. So C, B minor, A minor, and D, 1 string round per chord, and that is the end of this chord progression. So that from C it goes like this. And then back again, and that's it. It goes like this from the beginning till the very end. So to summarize, G2 almost, and then B minor 7, 2, and then C1, B minor 1, A minor 1, and D1. round and round from the beginning till the very end. I'm gonna play 2 rounds for you now, so let's go. Yes, RIC HASSANI's love again, very important love. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this one, guys. So feel free to support me on Growing Guitar. Hope to see you here very soon again, and play tuned.